You walk in like it's already settled. My name on your mouth, sweet and a little unsettling. You lean close, say you're better waiting. Pull me by the sleeve like my pulse is a station. Hands up, room goes hush. Just skin, just clap, time it's under the rush. You say trust, then you stop.
Oo, yung ganda.
Good morning, guys. Yan, we're here. Dito tayo sa may Christmas tree para maganda yung background natin. Yan. We're here now at Godairi. So we spend our overnight here at Godairi. So, yan. Check out na kami. Hinihintay na lang namin na mag-open yung breakfast. Tapos, we will be heading back to Tbilisi. So, yun. Then, after nun, ano ba yun? Nakita pala. So, after nun, mag-old city tour muna kami. Mainly, today is city tour lang kami ngayon. So, yun. So, we're ready. We're just waiting for the breakfast. Tapos, yun. Magbabiyahe na ulit kami. It will be like another 2 hours travel time. So, yun. So, yan. Hiningal ako kasi lumabas na kami. Nagpicture-picture na kami dun sa labas. So, we just tried to explore the area because we really don't have time. Late na kami dumating dito kagabi. Tapos, yun, nag-dinner pa kami. Tapos, pahinga na kasi sobrang pagod na rin. So, yun. So, yan. Hiningal ako kasi lumabas kami sobrang lamig. Ngayon, I think, -9 or 10 degrees. -10 degrees, I think, maybe. Kasi maaga pa. It's almost like 6:30 or before 7 a.m. Yan. So, yun guys. See you later.
Tinan mo yung mga, tinan mo yung mga ano, pulang-pula. Tinan mo yung mata ko, parang dikpis.
Lumabas kami doon, -10 degrees.
Ang ilong
Parang feeling ko napaso yung ilong ko eh.
pati kilikili ko, mumuro. Uy, nakala niya picture.
Sama daw siya. And good morning, guys.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Hi, guys.
Grabe ang lamig. Nagtago.
So,
Ay,
yun,
video
guys.
pala.
Ang tagal mag-open ng breakfast. So, pagka-breakfast namin, babiyahin na ulit kami 2 hours. Hintay-hintay lang kami dito. See you later, guys.
Di ba? Win the bus.
Breakfast na kami.
Sa kaupo.
Ano dito ako?
Saan? Kahit saan. Dito ka? So, let's see. Hopefully. Yeah. So, hopefully we have rice today. What is this? There's omelette. I don't know what is this. There's no name. But I think it's chicken.
Yeah. What is this one?
Omelette. And then they have pasta. Pasta with cheese. This is chicken sausage. Boiled egg. Mexican potato. Excuse me. What is this? They have ito yung parang lasang Cerelac. Kachapuri. And then they have Cerelacs here. So this is our breakfast. Walang rice. There's no rice. They all have bread. Unfortunately, wala silang rice. So, yan. Kukuha muna ako ng pagkain ko. Wala silang rice. Gamar Joba. Gamar Joba means hello. Parang ganon. Yeah, good morning. No, hello, yeah. So we're here at Ananuri Fortress. It's like a castle. See, like, yan. Lamig. Pero, malamig siya pero at least more tolerable yung lamig niya. So, yan. Ang daming aso dito. Pero friendly naman sila. Tsaka mababait naman yung mga doggy.
What is inside?
Ang ganda.
Church, castle, not castle, like this.
It's a church?
Church is over there and the fortress around.
You have another tour on 24, right?
Sorry?
24th of December.
So, this fortress, there's a church on the side over there.
Another 24. Because I think you have to
So, yun. So, we'll just go around. Meron din ditong parang mga tiyanggi-tiyanggi. So, yun. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sila dito. Pero, yun. We'll just go around the area also to explore. Then, yeah.
New Year in the Western Hemisphere.
It's another place, another like itinerary.
Completely different.
Itinerary.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Chronicles of Georgia. So ito yung ano, parang Stone Age. Napapagod na ako maglakad. Ayoko na maglakad.
Is there an elevator here?
Paakyat siya. Mahirap kasi maglakad pag paakyat. Pag pababa, okay lang.
What?
Pero pag paakyat,
We wait 30,
Nakakapagod.
40 minutes, like 9 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Like,
lamig.
when we the what? When we went, when we went to this Christmas party.
Yeah. In the night.
Yeah. Charlie! What's that? That ice cream? No.
No, that's not the one. Not that one.
Wine ice cream.
That's wine ice cream.
The cone is bread.
Ice cream you can find in the mall.
In the mall.
No, she said there is one bread.
No, it's not that one.
No, I think we will find it in the city.
They are cooking the bread. And then they will put ice
You
cream
can
on.
find that one mother of Georgia area. Not bread, like cinnamon roll.
Exactly, yes. Cinnamon roll.
I tried that one in Armenia.
Finally, we've arrived. Pero meron pa siyang, ewan ko, maybe 100 steps going up. It's very nice.
2 days ago. 2 days ago? Yeah, in my
Ayan. It's very nice. Pero, see the stairs? I'm so tired.
Escalator, you don't have.
Or wings.
Tapos, Ha? Yung isang una ka ba? Mukha siya yung Yulia pag nakatagil.
Şuraya alayım onu. Tamam alıyorum. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello! Ano yun? Kamarjoba. Kamarjoba.
Amoy baka.
Hello, hello. Yan, nandito kami sa East Point Shopping Mall. Nag-stop over lang kami dito for lunch and mag-iikot-ikot na rin kami. Let's see what do they have here for some pasalubongs.
Pasalubong will be later. Because it will be...
See, it's huge from there.
Ba't iwalay ka?
To
Kain
here.
na tayo.
Hindi magpupicture.
Yan.
Huwag ka na magpa-picture.
Yan. Napapicture, gutom na.
Gusto mo, para ka naman na.
Ito yung grupo namin. So, we'll go all together inside. So, ituturo niya lang sa amin kung saan yung mga lugar-lugar. Kasi sobrang huge talaga ng place. Yun. Tapos, yun, kanya-kanya na kami. So, see you later, guys. Parang puro ano nga burger, sandwich. Bakit? Ayan. Pero anong kasama niya?
Anong gusto mo? Makdo?
Ano, tingin mo? Kayo?
May chicken din naman ito sa Makdo, di ba?
Wala, ano lang. Yung burger lang.
Gusto ko kape, bili ako ng kape. Sa Makdo.
O dali, anong orderin natin? Gusto mo mag-bucket na lang tayo? Anong pinakamurang bucket? 27, 27.
Ilang chicken sa bakit? Drumstick.
No, bakit 8 drumstick? Or, ano pa?
8 drumstick. Hindi, at tingnan mo yung ito. Anong 13. Ay, wala kasi soft drink. So, pag dito, may soft drink na may
Yung alin? Nasaan ba yung individual? Ito? O di yan, mag-individual na lang tayo. Wala.
Wala rin.
Wala nga. Oo, wala.
Wala sa ano, chicken na may... Ito may cream. Oo, may cream. May french fries.
Wala talagang ano lang ang meron. Ha? Burger lang talaga.
O ito po, ano kaya si Pedro, ano na siya, 14.5. May drinks na siyang kasama.
Tingnan mo ngayon ba?
O wala siyang drinks na kasama. Walang french
Let's say, ha?
Bakit mag-individual or bakit?
Individual na lang tayo kung ano. So ito na lang, nasa na nga ulit yun? Sa burger ba? Wala din. Ay, ito.
Combo.
Ito, itong combo. Ayan. Lunchtime.
Wala nga pa.
Walang, baka may bayad din yung ketchup nila.
Di ba yun ano, meron kasama?
Yung ketchup.
Meron yung ketchup. Grabe na din dito.
Mozzarella.
Yung gatas nga nila may ano,
May.
bayad. Gatas.
Parang lahat naman dito kahit plastic eh, no? Kahit plastic may bayad. Ito yung Mexican price.
Alas 3 na, oh. Tara na.